Welcome back to Live and Flip with Sonnett. This week I started off by kind of resetting the house and getting everything cleaned and straightened, especially on the main floor. All of the projects and tools and things going on kind of get spread out everywhere. A lot of this furniture is stuff that I either want to salvage or hadn't yet given up on the idea of salvaging. Here I'm just cleaning everything up and accepting that some of these pieces can't be saved, at least not by me. This was supposed to be, and I knew it was going to be a stretch, but I had 2 post-it notes on one day. Rip up the drain and redo the floor. Obviously, redoing the drain has taken a lot longer than one day. But I think I finally have the actual special fitting that I need, the last one. And so I should be able to get the drain for the upstairs bathroom, toilet, and sink installed, dry fit today. And then the plumber will come and make sure everything is good before I actually put it in. But I'll give you guys a look. So this is the upstairs bathroom as it stands right now. Over here, this is where the clawfoot tub is gonna go. And I'm not sure which side I'm gonna put the little shelf on, but I want to keep as much of this original beadboard as possible, so I'm thinking I'm going to put it over on this side. This wall is already ripped out. I have to redo this wall anyway, so building a little bump out wall, it'll be like a little shelf, and the shower on that side. But I need to ask the plumber because the light switch is there, so we'll see. But that's where the tub will go, one way or the other. And then this is the main drain that comes in. The toilet will be right about here, and then the sink goes over there. The shower has its own drain. It goes down and then down inside this wall over here, and then there's another wall right there. Oh, did you need to be in this video? You need to inspect everything, make sure I'm doing a good job. Okay. Oh, hello. Hello. Are you very helpful? You're a very helpful baby. All right. Not open this box yet. We'll see if we got the right piece. Did we get the right piece? Are you excited? Yay! We got the right piece. Okay. Finally. Oh, finally. Okay, so this just goes right here. So the drain for the sink can come off, and this is the main drain for the toilet. You cannot sit here. I need to do stuff. Yeah, you cannot stay. how long it's taken to get to this point. Sheesh. Not even kidding. Starts out cute in the morning. Okay, so finally I have the drain in for the upstairs bathroom. Toilet flange will go there, the sink goes over there. I've got to get one more fitting and the vent fitting is all in. Everything's finally in. I'm very excited. This has taken way longer than it was supposed to, and I am still entirely amused by the fact that I had it on one little post-it note on one little day. But this puts us on track for this week, which is like the first time in forever that I've been on track with my schedule. So very, very excited. I can call the plumber and schedule for him to come and check everything out. I will need to go to Home Depot tomorrow to return the piece that I ordered that was the wrong thing, and the extra pieces, the fittings that I got for the 2-inch because I wasn't sure what it was going to be, and I'll get the right one. So I will have one little more thing to cut and one little more fitting to fit in, but I will be able to do that before the plumber comes, and I will figure out what day he can come, and then I can get the water all done. The water is scheduled for tomorrow, or is on my schedule for tomorrow. So today is cold, and I am going to take a little bit of a break and go get my nails done with my sister-in-law. Just kind of hang out for the day. Well, for the morning. I still have to work in the afternoon. But I'm going to do that, and then I will work on the bathtub and get the second layer of primer on there. And then depending on how things go in the afternoon, I'll probably finish work early and work on the PEX plumbing rough-in in the basement and the hallway up to the second floor bathroom. So I called the plumber yesterday, but I haven't heard back from them as to what day they're going to come and kind of give me a consultation on the drain work that I've done and connect the water heater and water main. So today will be a little bit late. Okay, so I finished putting on a second coat of primer for the bathtub, and I will need to do, oh look, the mailman's here. The bathtub is pretty much done on the exterior, so I can turn it over and sand the inside, prime the inside, and then I can finally move it inside to do the tub finish on the inside and the outside. So I'll do that inside the house so that it's not getting leaves and stuff on it. morning. So I finished the drain yesterday and I'm going to work on getting the plumbing run through the hallway and up into the bathroom, and I need to be actually plumbing out in the bathroom. So I have a little bit left to do in the basement. Then I should actually be done in the basement. Let's get downstairs and get it done. Comes up, goes that way to go to the sink, and that way to go to the shower, which I have to decide if it's going to go that way or if it's going to go this way. Cold water comes up and tees here. It'll split for the, it'll tee for the toilet and the shower, either that way or that way, and comes over here and goes over there. That one I have a little juicer, so I've stepped out for the sink. And I haven't, this one, the little bits that were covering it were gone, and so I haven't squished this down. But I will. I need to get actual nail plates. They just covered this with what looks like paint sticks. So I'll get some nail plates to cover it so they don't get punctured. Finally! Okay, so it's Thursday and I finished the plumbing drain plumbing and the water plumbing for in the basement and the second floor bathroom. Well, finished is a strong word. The plumbers still have to come and do the pressure test and connect the water heater and the water main. And I still need to put the little reducers and the caps, but that's not like a ton. So today, what I think I'm gonna do is update the to-do list, the to-do calendar, and go look for tile. So let's look at the calendar and kind of update, since last week went a little long into this week and I can't really do some things until the plumber comes. And it's stupid cold outside, so I don't want to work on the bathtub because I don't want to be out in the wind and the snow because it's cold. So it's supposed to warm up a little bit tomorrow. Friday, Sunday, Monday, one of those days I will work on the bathtub on the inside, and then I can move the bathtub inside and refinish it, do like the finishing tile paint on it. But let's look at the thing. Okay, so this is last week, but it is what I got done pretty much this week. And this is where we're at, April 10th. So I put everything on the little painter's tape so that I can kind of just like move everything down all at once. But let me look at them and see, and we'll kind of go through together the projects and rationale behind them. So rough-in the hallway and the basement, that's done. Plumber pressure test, I don't know when they're coming. Refinish the tub, I still need to do the inside. Plumb for the shower and plumb through the floor. I've done the plumbing in the floor. Plumb the toilet and the sink. I need to clean the vanity. That's a thing I need to add. And then I can plumb the sink, but that is also like way later. This is gonna go on hold for now. I need to clean the vanity. That's a thing I need to do. But today we're gonna buy tiles and get stuff for the subfloor. Hopefully the pressure test can be done tomorrow. The plumber will come. But I've got a couple little things: cleaning the vanity, refinishing the tub, and taking some scrap metal to the metal yard. And then it looks like Sunday I'm planning to do drywall, which will be a huge aesthetic because there are holes in all the walls, obviously. So that'll be nice to fill that up. So, and then doing tile on Monday, which is a lot. Good morning. So the electrician just left. He moved a ground wire for me. My knee is killing me this morning. Really yesterday I went and picked out some tile, and I will probably order that from Lowe's. I went to an actual floor store and looked at all the different options, and I ended up choosing something pretty basic. And then when that gets in, I'll show you the tile for the bathroom floor and the wall. And today I'm going to clean the vanity, and depending on how my knee does, I will turn the tub over and start grinding out the inside. So let's go do that. watching the video. I hope that you can like and subscribe. It really helps with a new channel. And I hope you'll come back and watch next week.